want you to get on your brand new business suit, cause you are a working woman. Let's get that commission. Take it to the side, just chill and stroll.
Thank you for dinner, baby. I had a really great time.
You are strolling through the suburbs,
that your car self-drives,
looking at all the houses that you could sell.
My favorite kind. Well, this is me, but
show them the house tour.
The house tour? I could take you to the first, second, third floor, and I promise
and hold it here. Switch your feet. Ha, ha, ha.
Inside.
Here's the key.
What's mine is
build a house. Yeah, grab that hammer. Show that nail who's boss. Chill.
Really comfy, got some chips.
You are just showing off all of those appliances. Getting nice and low.
I'm just so proud of my design.
Look at that. House tour time.
House tour. I could take you to the first, second, third floor, and I promise none.
Just hold it here. We're waiting for interest rates to drop.
Just want you to come inside, but never enter the back.
One more time.
House tour. Yeah, I spent a little fortune on the wax floors. We can be a little.
Sit it here. You like what you see?
I'm pleasure to be your hot tour guide. Baby,
let's build a house. Grab your hammer. God, you're so good at construction. Hammer. Open house time. Let's go. You've got your open house sign. Take it nice and high. Woo! Come on, guys. We've got milk and cookies. Construction. Build a house. You didn't sell a damn thing. You've made no money this month, so we're gonna downsize. But we're gonna be positive. There's always Q1.
Are you coming in or what? Do you want the house tour? I could take you to